Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to the channel. So today's a really exciting video. I'm gonna just hop right into it. We have two of the new Fenty Beauty summer products, and it's the new Matchsticks Color Adaptive Cheek and Lip Stain, and then the Popsicle Hydrating Lip Stain, and I got mine in the shade Fuchsia Wife and Strawberry Pop. So I'm just going to try to do a little bit of an unboxing here real quick. So first off, the packaging is just so stinking cute. I love the orange to pink ombre. So here's what it looks like. It almost looks like a neon orange kind of. I'm going to go ahead and swatch that here. So there's what it looks like swatched. It kind of just turns a I would call it like a popsicle pink. It's kind of like a strawberry, not quite a strawberry pink. It's more or less like a, I don't know, just a nice hot pink. It's kind of muted though. I think it's really pretty. And then the Popsicle Lip Stain. The reason I look so weird is I just have a little bit of concealer and my eyebrows on. Just wanted to point that out. So here's what the lip stain looks like. I'm just going to swatch it real quick. And here is a swatch of that one. It is really pretty, and this pink is like, it's like a pH changing pink. So I just have on a little bit of concealer, and I was just going to do like a really simple like little look today. So I'm just going to take my brush I usually use for cream blushes. This is the e.l.f. like putty brush, and I'm just going to try to get some of this on the brush, and then I'm just going to, oh my gosh, I need to zoom you guys in for this. Like, I was not prepared. This is a stunning pink. Hang on everybody, hold your horses. Are you kidding me? It looks like I just caught a bad sunburn. Whoa. I feel like this needs to be a thumbnail picture right now. Like, I think I got way too much on my brush. I was not expecting that. Hold up, this is insane. But like, this is my kind of pink, y'all. Like, this matches my shirt perfectly. I look awful in the viewfinder. Like, I was not thinking this would be this pigmented. Whoa. I am so excited though for this. Like, this is going to be my summer blush. I can just see it now. Summer blush right here. I'm going to go ahead and maybe apply just a tad bit of foundation, just to kind of tone down this blush just a tad. Okay, that looks a lot better. I'll know to go in with a little bit lighter hand next time. I'm just trying to blend that all together. So that is so cute. I'm going to set my face a little bit and put on a little bit of mascara, and then we'll try out the lip stain. Okay, so I put on a little bit of bronzer and powdered my face and put on some mascara. So I'm going to try out this Popsicle Lip Stain in Fuchsia Wife. I think this is going to be a really pretty color, but I think it's going to be pretty like deep for me. I usually don't wear this deep of shades, but I think for summer it's going to be really pretty. So here's what the color looks like. It's a really berry color. Like, it kind of reminds you of like the end of the packaging color. It's like that kind of color. So it's really pretty. I did like wipe my hand, and this is like the stain left behind on the lip stain, and then this is the stain left behind on the blush, the Strawberry Pop Matchstick blush. So they both leave a really pretty stain. The Popsicle lip oil or lip stain, it kind of has like a glossy lip oil in the beginning, but as it wears, it kind of wears off and dries to a stain. But I'm going to go ahead and wipe it off. just so that way we can see the staining effect. That's like my favorite part anyways. So here's the stain. It's a really pretty color. It kind of looks like you just ate like a handful of like red strawberries. I love the shade. I think it is really pretty. I am so excited for both of these products for summer. I feel like these will be so pretty. I love like my look. It's very kind of no makeup look. It's the middle of the afternoon. I didn't want to do nothing too crazy. So yeah, here's the finished look. Let me know if you guys are picking up these products from Fenty Beauty. I'm a big Fenty fan, so I knew I had to pick these up. Plus I knew I'd like them anyways. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like before you leave. And y'all are absolutely stunning. Bye guys, thanks for watching.